Hi there, friend. Erin Chase coming at you live from the bathroom today because we're going to clean the shower. I'm going to show you how I use my new cleaning bestie in the bathroom. I showed you last week how it works in the shower. In the kitchen, and I'm going to show you in the bathroom. And I'm going to explain exactly why I love it. I'm going to show you where I keep it. We are going to hang out in the bathroom today, which I know is a little unusual. This is a food blog, like you're used to seeing me in the kitchen. I get it. But first, I would like to say, I hope you have spent some time in gratitude today, especially if you're in the US. We're celebrating, I feel like celebrating is a weird word, Memorial Day. I spent some time this morning just in thought and prayer and gratitude for all of those who have sacrificed so much for our country and our freedoms. So I hope you have had a moment like that today. Also, thank you for bearing with me last week. We had a very tumultuous week. We thought our dog was going to be put on palliative care, but so far he's responded to his medication regime and he's doing much better. So thank you for all the well wishes and prayers for him. Plus the highs of all of that, of our kids finishing school, our son getting his Eagle Scout award. It's just been kind of a wild, and obviously the terrible tragedy in Uvalde. It's been a wild week. So thank you for your grace this past week. We're gonna just go. I'm gonna tell you the two things that we're gonna do. We're gonna clean the tile. And hi, Jonna, my friend, my almost neighbor. I'm gonna see if I can show you this. First of all, we're gonna clean the glass. Now, I think we'll clean the tile first. We'll do tile and then glass. So for the tile, we're just gonna use any bathroom cleaner, whichever you prefer, plus the Euroscrubby. And I have the Euroscrubby linked here, and of course, I cannot add it. I've put it into the comments. I'm gonna show this Euroscrubby link, which is right there. You should be able to see a link right at the bottom of your screen. So we're gonna do the glass with liquid fabric softener, a diluted liquid fabric softener is how we're gonna clean the glass. And then we're gonna clean, I actually left this, you can see in the corner here, this is a mildew situation. It's super gross. I'm letting you in anyways. I'm gonna show you why I like to use the Euroscrubby. So here's where I store it. We're gonna go on a quick field trip, so bear with me. I just keep it right here in the rack. It needs to hang ideally so it kind of stays dry. I keep it on the side once it's dry because then it won't get wet from future showers, if that makes sense. I don't want it to stay wet all the time. It needs to dry. So the reason that I like this guy, there's two things that I use in the shower. This character, hello workout. So I use this character, and the reason that I like it is because it's got a really large surface area, a bigger surface area than a scrub brush, okay? And it also can get into the grout. You can see I have a very mildewy situation here. It can get in here. I also use this. This is more like a grout brush. And I like this especially because it's got this corner tip. This you can get in there, but it's not quite as awesome. So these are my two go-tos for there. But for the purposes of today, I am just going to just do this corner over here for the sake of time. And I'll show you why I like a big flat surface. Okay, so I'm just gonna do a little spray just to get a little bit on there. And then I do have two buckets here. One is just with water. I'm not gonna lie, I generally clean the shower when I'm in the shower, but that would be wildly inappropriate for a live video. So we're gonna do it with a bucket like this. This is also really fantastic for jumping in front of the camera. This is really fantastic for like maintenance. It's just really easy just to super quick wipe down right after you've been in the shower. I know you can squeegee, but this helps with some of that soapy scum. And so I'm just gonna get it wet. Can you guys see that okay? I feel like this is a little awkward. Let me do this. Maybe that's better. Okay. But again, big surface area, okay? So it's just gonna be a lot faster than wiping all of this down, okay? And then once you need to rinse it, just give it a rinse either in the shower. Oh, you can't see that one. It'll get into the grout lines a little bit, but again, I use my grout brush for those. It does a pretty good job, but especially for the corners that get extra gross. And then also you can use it on the ground, okay? So this is the Euroscrubby. I showed you, I guess it was 2 weeks ago now, because I missed you last week. I showed you how this works in the kitchen and how you can use it in all the for all the surfaces in the kitchen, essentially. Whether it's a ceramic Dutch oven or it's a, I know this is kind of loud. Let me just do a quick rinse. This is obviously a different one. I do not recommend using the same one. Of course you could clean it and use the same one, but it's just easier. They're super affordable. It's easier to have one in the bathroom and one in the kitchen. I keep the one in the kitchen hung over the dish rack in the sink, and I keep this one hung up on the shower racky thingy that's up there. What is that called? Okay. And again, I love it because it's got the wide surface area. It just goes faster than a scrub brush, because we're almost done with the super gross corner over here. It's gonna catch all the soap scum, if you will. Okay, it'll get in here. And it just does a really good job. Let me just get this corner while I'm here, and then we'll move on to the glass. This is just a bowl of water, like I said. This is also super easy to do once a week after you've showered, just to keep the towel nice and clean. It will never get to this point of nastiness that you see here. Okay, so we're gonna leave that at that. Let me just let this rinse off real quick, and I'm gonna swap and show you the glass. Please hold. Sorry, this is super awkward with the tripod in the corner. Okay, so I want you to see the glass. There you go. I think if I hold this, put that right there, can you see the difference? Like here's the glass line right here. Okay, there's like weird shadows, but. So this, what I added here is a bucket of diluted liquid fabric softener. Fun fact, fabric softener, liquid fabric softener, does a fantastic job of cleaning glass. You just have to dilute it a little bit, and you can do that. So let me swap-a-roo here. So I'm actually gonna pour out this dirty water. Hang on, I don't want to get my shoes all. This was dry. My shoes are gonna get wet, that's okay. All right, that's some delicious dirty water right there. All right, so this is, can you see that? There we go. So this is, it's like a blue color because that's the color of the fabric softener. So what I'm gonna just do, let me see if you can see the difference here. We're just gonna get it wet and just do a gentle, so this thing is perfect for glass. It's gonna get all that soap scum off. And again, I would normally probably do this right after a shower. And then let me actually grab a towel. I would probably rinse this with like my shower nozzle, but I'm not gonna turn it on. Scrub a towel so you can see the difference. Just wipe this down. Like goodbye soap scum. I probably need to do, so you'll have to go back when we're done and rewind the video and you'll see the difference. I'm actually gonna do the outside of the glass because I think there's a little bit right in here. So it's just so fast. Again, huge surface area. It's made with kind of a hardened plastic, so it's not metal. It's not going to scratch the glass. Okay, it's also great for tile. Also fabulous, I can't believe it took me this long to tell you this, for the toothpaste gunk that's in the sink. Okay, hello, I have 4 boys. You can do the math on the gunk in our sinks. Okay, that might take a minute to dry totally, but I can see a big difference. I hope you can see the difference. There might be this weird shadow there. But again, this Euroscrubby does a fantastic job in the kitchen. You can go back and watch the video from last week. We cleaned, let's see, we cleaned the sink, we cleaned the, there we go, it's flooding. So this is the Euroscrubby. In the kitchen, we cleaned the sink. You can use it for the counters. There's also a counter scrubby that we have that goes with it. That would also be really great for some of the soapy gunk that gets stuck in the bathroom sometimes. We cleaned a ceramic Dutch oven. We cleaned a non-stick pot. Look, you can like see me through here now. We cleaned a wooden cutting board. We cleaned a stainless steel pot. My friend Trisha got hers in the mail, and she said it did a really fantastic job with her Instant Pot insert. She thought that some of the gunk was really just stuck on there. She's tried all the things. This took it right off. And here we are in the bathroom today. Welcome to my shower. So again, I love it in the bathroom because of its wide surfaces, and also because it's safe to use on glass. It's safe to use on the tile. It's safe to use in your sink. If you've got like a granite or ceramic sink, you can use it for that. Obviously, you need to test any surface like you would with any new cleaner or cleaning tool, but this one's pretty safe. Just gonna let you know that I pretty much tested it on all the surfaces around my house, and it does a fantastic job. You should be able to see a link either in the comments or right underneath the video if you want to grab a set of these. We have this plus our counter scrubby in our store. These have almost sold out. I've already placed another order for more because you guys love these so much. And yeah, I think I'm gonna finish off here and go back to cleaning this back part of the shower. This is where a lot of the soapy gunk ends up because of the shampoos and whatnot that get stored back here. But yeah, this is the Euroscrubby, and it's amazing for both. I'm gonna stand up because otherwise my old lady legs are not going to be able to tolerate this. Oh yeah, and then we're gonna hang it back up here. Just like you can hang it here to dry, hang it up over here, wherever it fits. I like to kind of tuck it on the side so that, like over here, so that it'll dry, but then it won't get wet from the shower. Like this is behind the shower essentially. So it won't get wet, it'll stay nice and dry, so then when I need it again, it's dry and ready to clean. Didn't fold that very well. There you go. This is the Euroscrubby in the bathroom, my friend. Grab yourself 1 or 2 or 3 for the different bathrooms. And 1 for the kitchen. Again, I would use different ones. I would use 1 in the bathroom, 1 in the kitchen. This is different from the one I have downstairs. Love this guy. It's your new cleaning bestie. It really can do a lot of things. I love products that are both reusable, like this guy, and that can do a lot of things and help me tackle a lot of cleaning projects around my house. So check it out. The link is right there. And the next time I will see you, we'll be in the kitchen. Tomorrow we have an Aaron Chase show. We have a Gender Made Easy show this week. I've got lots of things to catch you up on. So with that, I will bid you adieu. I hope you have a beautiful rest of your Memorial Day, and I will see you soon.